Happy, happy, happy.
Oh, you got
And then
that?
I got one that says I speak Duckanese.
Duckies.
Here we go.
Happy.
Who idea was it?
Here we go. You starting this shit up? That's what I'm talking about, man.
Girl like that?
Yeah. Fucking badass.
Nah, Funkhouse.
See, I do this on my own vehicles, though.
Nah, Funkhouse is checking to make sure you can't see through the window.
No, you can't really see. Not during the day.
Nah, you can't see.
But I see my Kiss is still on the window there.
You can barely see, but you gotta actually look to be able to see.
So what's he doing, guys?
Doing a,
Get an exhaust sample.
yeah, he's doing an exhaust sample.
Exhaust sample.
Have him go get the damn
What's-
mason jar.
What's he getting that? What's he getting the exhaust sample
I
in?
gotta get Josh for him.
Little peacup.
That's awesome.
To get through shove off though.
And what all PPE is he wearing?
Everything imaginable.
So he's got to capture exhaust in a little bottle, and then quickly
Chef's
put
probably
the.
selling it really good.
Why is this window so small?
I know, why can't it be the full length?
I'm just gonna jump.
Oh, y'all can't see? Here, I'll get down.
Shit needs to get out of the way. Go yell at Shet that he can't be near there without PPE with him.
Well, he's the one that's got it fired up multiple times.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
multiple times.
Not just the one.
Oh yeah, you don't want to make Shet do it.
I think he's gonna just rev it.
I need to get out for just a second. No, I can't see.
Is that an S3?
Front row seat.
Push the seat.
Hey, is that an S3?
Oh, I gotta do my cam. Move it.
Yeah, I want you to be there.
We should have moved it off the wall so it would have been more in space. Even better.
Come on, Shet, keep it running.
Every time you fire it up, it's gonna blow more.
Oh my god.
Do it again, Shepard. He's trying his best. Is it smoking him out?
Yeah, it is.
Like crazy.
He's about to fucking pass out.
He's wearing goggles, but
Gotta get another step.
nothing around his nose and mouth.
One more time.
Oh, come on, Chef, one more.
Oh, he's gonna move him over to the other jammer?
Yeah, you didn't screw the lid on, do it again.
okay.
Oh,
Oh my god! Look at the bottle! The bottle's black. Oh, that's a good one. Look, he's laughing and nodding.
look how serious he looks.
He's got a serious face.
Yeah, he's
Nobody say nothing to him until the end of the day, alright?
How'd that exhaust
Like,
sample go?
yeah, at the,
It'll be on YouTube by the end of the day.
Here we go. Oh, it's not gonna start again.
Oh, I thought he was like trying to do that on purpose to just push the shit out of him.
Put the throttle up.
Damn, this man's
Put the throttle up.
Throttle's
You
out.
smell that shit really good. Damn.
I just broke a good jam.
Alright, whatever. James, can you stick that over there for me,
Yeah,
please?
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. I didn't sell you out.
He's gonna do it. Yes,
You
you gotta put the lid on.
Look at that bottle.
He's got to redo it.
Look how fucked up that bottle is. Dude.
Holy shit.
I need that bottle on this film.
Before and after.
bottle. Grab the bottle.
Yeah, at the end of the day, be like, this is not a real test.
Where does he go? He needs to get something to fucking 7 of this shit.
See, that's why Izzy
Oh,
shouldn't
dude,
be
I hope when he
fucking-
takes his goggles off, he's got fucking, like, coon eyes.
Yeah.
And here comes the test jar.
Hey, Sims, you're not doing anything.
Look at that motherfucker. That's awesome.
Wow.
It's got fingerprints on it.
Wow. That's on